What's going on, guys? Welcome back to James's RC Garage. So I realized in my last video my camera angles were all messed up. So you saw me put on the new shocks, but I didn't really get the camera angle good. So that's how they look, y'all. And then, like I said, I got the diff skids painted up blue with the painter's marker. And like I said, I found this at Walmart in the arts and crafts section. So yeah, we got the new shocks installed. Truck does pretty good. Rebound's really nice. I did not open them, so I don't think they're oil filled, but they have the silver spring on them, and they came with the medium and soft spring as well, or just a set of soft and hard. I'm not totally for sure yet. I haven't opened up this package to look at all the springs. We're just going to go with the silver set because we have the hard plastic body on there, like I said in the last video. So that's the shock update, and then we got left to do the trans skid, the rear link mount, and the links as of right now to finish on the Raptor deadbolt build. As always, guys, like, subscribe, and share, and we'll talk to you later. Peace.